Oh my god, kill me now. Kill me now. We're going to Grimsby. We're going to go a scenic route, so hopefully it'll be an enjoyable cycle. Grimsby. So far so good. Terrain's pretty good. The only problem now is going to be the rain. It looks like it could chuck it down any moment.
Day 6 now, we've left Grimsby, we're on our way to Scunthorpe. We've just stopped at a shop to get some supplies. It's a lot nicer day than yesterday. Yesterday was really windy and wet and just generally miserable. Just wanted to get there and get dry. But today's a lot more pleasant day. The sun's out, it's a good day to ride.
Really important to stay hydrated on a trip like this. When I was in America, I was practically hallucinating at points. I was so dehydrated. Wait, we can't stop here. This is bike country. Between Grimsby and Scunthorpe. It's been a really enjoyable cycle, really beautiful scenery, some hills but nothing unmanageable. We're making pretty good time, so yeah, we're definitely getting better. So we're heading up to York today. Looking forward to it, 'cause there's lots of nice things to see apparently in York. We just set off, so yeah, hopefully it won't be too bad. But by the look of them clouds, it's not going to be all that dry.
Kind of still got the hotel key like 2 miles away from the hotel.
I'm going to take one for the team and go back.
Yeah, it's my bad, but Sam has volunteered to fix the situation.
Just heading up the hill towards the hotel. It's not the sort of thing you want to do really, because we've got about 50 miles ahead of us. Don't want to add an extra 4 or 5 miles on top of it.
I'm waiting here at the garage while Sam's off to the hotel about 2 miles away to deliver the key. I feel really bad, but he volunteered to go back to the hotel, and I should stay here with all the stuff. It's just generally been a bit hard going, but we're about halfway, so hopefully the second half will be a lot better than the first. This isn't very good, is it?
We've not had any luck today. First was the key incident. Then I got a flat tyre. And then it started chucking it down. Absolutely chucking it down. Man, these hills are ridiculous. Oh my god, kill me now. Kill me now.